Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Mazda 6, stock number 6325. This ran from 11th 2012 to the 5th 2016. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, 1 dent. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right front door mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,